Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device model and where display controls live. This saves time. Unlock the phone or computer, then open Settings and Display immediately. Once there, locate Night Mode, Blue Light Filter, or Night Shift and turn it off. Make sure scheduled rules are disabled too. If you see a quick toggle in the Control Center or Notification shade, toggle it off now. Also check any manufacturer utilities or bundled apps that can apply a red overlay so you don't miss hidden filters. Once done with basic settings, dive deeper into overlays and accessibility. Go to accessibility and confirm color filters or color correction is off. You may need to toggle developer or advanced settings to reveal it. Next, inspect installed apps that can overlay the screen, grant or revoke screen, overlay permission and force stop, or uninstall any app that adds a red tint. Finally, clear cache and data for system display services and restart them. This removes lingering overlays and restores normal. You finish by restarting and verifying colors with a photo or calibration app. Look for neutral whites and natural skin tones. If the red cast persists, reset display settings or check for pending OS updates that fix color bugs. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset, which removes deep software issues. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. That single step often reveals whether an app or system setting caused the red light filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.